Alright you guys, so today I am sharing with you my very first FabFitFun box. It is the fall 2018 box and I'm so excited. Like, look how cute this packaging is. When I first open it, I see their little magazine that's included. It has Christina Applegate on the cover. Alright, so the first item is this Luna bar. It is in the flavor salted caramel nut. I like keeping snacks in my bag, so I'll definitely throw this in my purse for when I'm on the go and hungry, which is like all the time. Then I received this Skin&Co Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. It's the Italian collection. I always like to keep extra body washes and things like that on hand, and I'm almost out of my current shower gel, so I'll be adding this to my shower soon. And then my box included these two Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Masks. I believe all the boxes had these items. And then I received this Touch and Soul. It's basically metal liquid foil lipstick duo. So I believe one end is a gloss and one end is a liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade Penny. And then I have these cute Simply Whimsical kitchen towels. They're a light gray and white chevron stripe, or no, I guess it's just, I don't know, it's striped. Very cute, very neutral. I'll definitely be able to use these. And then you do get to choose some items in your box. So I chose these Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds in the shade white. The other option was an umbrella. I have tons of those, so I chose these. And then I received this Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit Glucosamine Extract. Alright. I love skincare, as you know, so I'm always down to try new products. I like the packaging on this Grown Alchemist brand. It's just kind of simple and to the point, and it's that like metal type tubing. And a beauty blender. Okay, this alone retails for $20. They're amazing. They're very expensive. So I received it in this cute little light pink shade, and the box I believe is $49.99 a season, and then I have a coupon code for you so you can get $10 off your first box. So make sure you check the description box below and I'll include that for you. So I paid $39.99 for this box. And then I got this Alfred Teapot. Let me open it. So the choice was between the teapot and a French press. Isn't that so cute? And then I was also able to choose this Camuto vegan faux leather tote. So I measured it because I wanted something to put my MacBook in, and it's got this little side pocket for your phone or whatever. And this was also available in black, and the other option was a crown brush set. So I was super pleased with this bag. So that is what I received in my fall 2018 FabFitFun box. Again, I will link a coupon code for you down below so you can save $10 on your first box. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.